Hello viewers, let's learn how we can hide or make private our WhatsApp chat. This may be required due to personal requirement or official secrets or to keep some specific person chat, hide, log and invisible from others. So now on screen please. Now let's go and open WhatsApp. Long click on contact and a tick mark appears. Now click three dots and in three dots simply select lock chat and this message appears so you may click on continue. After continuing this type of message appear you need a way to lock chat. So click OK and go to your settings and in mobile settings go lock screen and AOD. Click on it and after clicking these type of interface appear so you may click face lock, screen lock, pattern or whatever type of lock you want to use that. So simply I prefer pattern. After pattern you can also select your current pattern of your mobile, so it's up to you what you choose. So after clicking or providing password or pattern, let's come back and go once again to WhatsApp. Now once again go and long click on contact you want to hide or lock. Click three dots and lock chat. Continue and now you will provide pattern, password, whatever, but you need not to go to settings of mobile. Now lock chat appears so it's locked, it's out of search and it's out of reach of any XYZ. So go back and once again let's go and add another chatter if you would like to lock more chats. Then we will unlock it. Long press three dots and in three dots simply repeat the same procedure, lock chat and after locking chat provide pattern, password or any XYZ. So now two chats are locked. To open it or to search it, let's search the same person which I shortly locked, but it won't appear in your search. So cross it or go to simply WhatsApp, long press on the lock or click lock and provide the same pattern or lock or password, whatever you have provided, and the chats will open. Now the lock is open, both chats are up here, it's in front of you, it's readable, and let's go and check the other one. Both are in working condition but locked and outside of the reach of others. Now if you would like to unlock it permanently, long press on one or all, click three dots and in three dots we will go and simply select unlock chats and after unlock chats the lock would be removed. Here provide password or pattern or face recognition. Now message appear no log chats and you can see both the chats in red line are available or visible to any XYZ or the person who is having mobile in his hand. If I click search, so simply these chats would be available in search. Before this, they were out of access. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.